Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll share with you about SBI developments happening in SBI. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the like button. I try to come up with tools to keep you updated with current financial events and also for the share market. I'll just talk to you about the shares listed in NSE in SBI, about SBI. So uh, just give me one moment. I will just go to the screen. So we have SBI Life Insurance listed with NSE, and it is priced at it. You can use this for intraday trading. It is priced at about 1060. You can buy or sell from here. Okay. So if you are doing an intraday trading, you can buy and sell from the same site. Okay. And and then you have the SBI cards listed. SBI cards is 786 rupees, and 786 you can buy and sell. This is also an intraday option. Then you have an ETF is SBI 10-year gilt ETF. It is priced at about 203, and you don't see much movement here. It is not that volatile. Then you have SBI consumption ETF. It is priced at about 68 rupees, and these are all ETF listed. Then you have SBI gold ETF. It is priced at about 45. You'll have to do a study on this based on which will work for you, which will not work for you, which you're happy. And then you have SBI IT ETF, 347 rupees. Uh, then you have SBI Nifty 50 ETF, SBI Nifty Bank ETF. Then you have SBI Nifty Next 50 ETF. Then you have SBI Private Bank ETF, SBI Quality ETF. Then again we go back. So then you have SBI card March futures and options. So you can trade on that also, futures. Okay, you can do this on daily basis or weekly basis. You'll have to see what is your comfort zone. And futures, and you need to click on buy. Then you have SBI card April futures. Then you have SBI life April futures, May futures, SBI card. So you can choose from whatever options you want. You can choose from that. You have to just see what is the SBI card current price. So it's about 786 rupees. So you need to go to SBI card. Then you need to. I'm doing this on Paytm Money app. So you click on the options, and you just go down and down and down to about 780. So 780, we'll just try this. This is 780, 780. So SBI. So you need to just search and get used to this. So we'll just type SBI. This app is, it's very nice, very good. You don't have any problems with this app. So you just click on the call option if you want to buy, or if you want to sell, you need to click on the put option. Okay, so you just do this, and you are ready. You don't you when you click on this option trading, you don't click on the sell option. You click on the call option, which is for buying. You just click on this green button. Then you go to the put option. You click again on buying, just for option trading. Okay, so you don't click on the sell option in option trading. Okay. Because if you click on the sell option, then you get a very big figure. So you just click on the buy option and do the trading. And you need to do a little study on this, because you'll have to check as to what you're convenient with. If you're convenient with you need to check what you're convenient with, uh, what will work for you and what will not work for you, what you're comfortable with. Because certain people who do trading, they try to deal with very volatile do very volatile option trading like Bank Nifty and all. But it is not suitable for everyone, because what happens is Bank Nifty is very volatile. So you need to have a set of principles, a set of rules when you're trading in Bank Nifty. You need to have a different set of rules when you trade in Nifty 50. You need to have a different set of rules when you do intraday trading. And in Bank Nifty and bank nifty, in option trading, you need to have a target or a goal. Say you want to double your money within 3 years, you need to have a goal like that, and you need to have a proper risk management. Proper risk management. You have to have a risk management. You cannot take 100% risk or 90% risk or 80%. You just have to take 5% risk or 10 max to max 10% risk. Don't take more than that, because it will eat up your money. You need to do a lot of calculation when you're doing option trading, especially with bank nifty or nifty. You need to be very calculative, otherwise there are 99% chances of losing money. You need to be just be careful, do proper risk management, and you will not lose money, and you will be successful. Even if you lose money, you will not have problems. You will be able to trade, and you will be able to be trading on a consistent basis. But you need to do a proper risk management, and you need to see that you don't take a lot of risk. And I know everyone looks for growth, but you need to be very careful, because once you get too absorbed in the screen, there are chances of you getting confused. So there are people get confused because they get very absorbed in the screen. They want to do a lot of trading. They end up doing over trading, because you get absorbed, you get drawn to it, to the app and to the screen, to the click of the button, and it's very easy. So it becomes, but what happens is you tend to lose money in the long run if you're doing scalping, or if you're doing. So you need to have a proper calculation, proper risk management. You have to study, and study more, and invest less, spend more time studying. And when you are looking for growth, it would be very boring. You will not feel comfortable, you will not feel good, you will feel very tired, or you will feel very bored, because you have to wait and wait for the right opportunity. And if you're enjoying a trading, that means there's something wrong. The point is, you should not enjoy your trading. You have to feel bored, or you need to be dragged. You need to study more, you need to wait more, you need to be more patient. This is how we discipline ourselves for this kind of trading, especially option trading, intraday trading, because every day there is an opportunity, every day there is a chances of losing money. So we need to be very careful. So we need to take less risk, and uh, more we need to wait more. And there are times, like there are, like in a year, like you might get 50 times very good money, and rest of the time you will just be sitting like this. So but that's good, because you'll be earning great amount of money. Okay. So I will also share with you a lot of tricks, like how you can use certain tricks, and I've used certain tricks in the past, and it has helped me. So but you need to do it with a little bit of risk management. Okay. And if you're a scalper, what you need to do is, you'll be looking for a small break here or there. So you need to choose whether you want to be a scalper, or you want to earn a big money. So big money doesn't come every day. It is, you have to wait. For scalping, you can do it every day. You can scalp, and you can make money every day. Okay. I just want to share with you what is the present status of SBI Bank in the world. SBI Bank is the 43rd largest bank in the world, and ranked 221st in the Fortune Global 500 list of world's biggest corporation of 2020, being the only Indian bank in the list. It's the public sector bank and the largest bank in India, with 23% market shares by asset, and 25% share of total loan and deposit market. State Bank of India has tapped the short-term debt market after nearly a decade, raising 3-month money worth 2,000 crores by issuing certificates of deposit at 3.8%. The return on CD issued by SBI is around 10 basis point higher than the cutoff yield on 91-day treasury bills auctioned by the government on Wednesday. SBI Multicap Fund, which closed its new fund offer (NFO) on Monday, has collected about 7,500 to 8,000 crores in the fund. Officials in the industry stated that this is the highest ever collection seen in the multi-cap schemes. SBI multi-cap funds, an open-ended equity scheme, will be investing in a mix of best ideas across large, mid, and small cap companies identified through robust research process. The NFO opened on February 14th, 2022 and closed on February 28th, 2022. The benchmark index of the fund is Nifty 500 multi-cap, with the ratio of that is 50 is to 25 is to 25. The fund combines the strength of high conviction stock ideas or the sector analysis that will be selected from the funds house active coverage universe. Multi-cap schemes are mandated to invest at least 25% of the corpus in large, mid, and small cap stocks each. Before the changes in the regulation, multi-cap funds are free to invest across the market cap depending on funds manager outlook. But later changes were made so that funds remain true to their label. So there's one more thing. Why is SBI stock growing? According to stock market experts, this rally in SBI stock is mainly due to yesterday's Union Cabinet's clearance to the proposal of 30,000 crores government guarantee for security deposits, security receipts issued by the National Asset Reconstruction Company as a part of resolution of bad loan. So, government has proposed 30,600 crores as a part of resolution of bad loan. So, what has happened is still the stocks are of SBI is not coming down; it's growing. And what's happening with SBI during the third quarter ended December 2021? SBI recovered about 1,500 crores from return of accounts, and for the 9 months during April December FY22, the recovery amount stands at about 5,600 crores. SBI said in the post Q3 FY22 earnings called with analyst, is SBI bank in loss? So we just need to check if the SBI bank is in loss. Loan loss provisions of the bank were down 52%, 46% sequentially to 2,699 crore. It is holding COVID related provisions to tune of 6,000 crores, and by the year end the management said they'll call if the provisions can be written back. Will SBI become a private bank? We'll check this if the SBI becomes a private bank. According to Devashish Panda, Secretary, Department of Financial Services, have said that all public sector banks are eligible for privatization. In all likelihood, State Bank of India will be kept out of this exercise. That is only government-owned bank that is classified as domestic, systemically important bank. So SBI will not become a private. And is SBI profitable? Bank has registered its highest quarterly net profit of 8,432 crore in third quarter FY22. This represents an increase of 62%, and SBI said in a regulatory filing that total income also rose to 78,352 crore during the quarter under review, as against 75,981 crore in the same period of 2020 and 21. It is said, and there's a one more question: is SBI being sold? SBI, PNB, Bank of Baroda won't be sold to private firms. The 6 banks are kept out of privatization. So, guys, this is what we have for SBI today, and if you are considering opening a demat account, you can open up a demat account with Paytm. It's a one-stop for trading and investment. You can check in comments. I have posted the link, and I just want to thank you for taking your time watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.